Welcome to our latest video, where we explore 20 stunning modern sofa bed designs that can transform your living space. Whether you're looking for style, functionality, or a bit of both, these designs offer something for every taste and need. Let's dive into the world of modern sofa beds and find the perfect fit for your home. 1. Sleek and simple. Start your journey with designs that emphasize clean lines and a minimalist aesthetic. These sofa beds often feature low-profile frames and neutral colors, making them a versatile addition to any modern living room. 2. Modular marvels. Modular sofa beds are perfect for those who love versatility. These designs can be rearranged into different configurations, allowing you to adapt your seating arrangement based on your needs. Plus, they often include built-in storage for added functionality. 3. Convertible comfort. Explore designs where the transformation from sofa to bed is seamless and effortless. Look for features like pull-out mechanisms or foldable sections that make transitioning between day and night easy. 4. Luxurious velvet. Add a touch of opulence to your space with velvet sofa beds. This luxurious fabric not only looks elegant, but also feels incredibly comfortable. Choose from rich jewel tones or classic neutrals to match your decor. 5. Industrial chic. For a more rugged look, consider industrial-style sofa beds. These designs often incorporate metal frames and exposed hardware, blending modern aesthetics with an urban edge. 6. Scandinavian simplicity. Scandinavian-inspired sofa beds focus on functionality and simplicity. With clean lines, lightwood accents, and a focus on comfort, these designs are perfect for creating a serene and inviting living space. 7. Bold patterns. Make a statement with sofa beds featuring bold patterns and vibrant colors. From geometric prints to floral designs, these sofa beds can become the focal point of your room. 8. Sustainable styles. Eco-conscious homeowners will appreciate sofa beds made from sustainable materials. Look for designs crafted from recycled fabrics or responsibly sourced wood for a greener choice. 9. Smart technology integration. Modern sofa beds are embracing smart technology with features like built-in USB ports, wireless charging, and adjustable firmness settings. These innovations enhance both comfort and convenience. 10. Mid-century modern channel the retro charm of mid-century modern design with sofa beds that feature tapered legs, button-tufted upholstery, and classic silhouettes. These designs offer a nostalgic yet contemporary feel. 11. Boho chic. For a relaxed and eclectic vibe, consider boho chic sofa beds. These designs often include textured fabrics, fringe details, and vibrant colors, perfect for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. 12. Compact and cozy. Ideal for small spaces, compact sofa beds are designed to maximize functionality without taking up too much room. Look for designs that offer a full bed size while maintaining a sleek and space-saving profile. 13. Elegant leather. For a touch of sophistication, leather sofa beds offer both style and durability. Choose from various finishes and colors to find a design that complements your decor. 14. Customizable options. Customization is key for finding the perfect sofa bed. Look for designs that offer adjustable features, such as modular components or removable covers, allowing you to tailor the sofa bed to your preferences. 15. Retro revival. Retro-inspired sofa beds bring a touch of nostalgia with their unique shapes and vibrant colors. These designs often feature bold patterns and distinctive details that make them stand out. 16. Space-saving solutions. Maximize your space with sofa beds that include built-in storage compartments. These designs offer practical solutions for stowing away blankets, pillows, and other essentials. 17. Luxurious linen. For a sophisticated and breathable option, linen sofa beds provide elegance and comfort. Linen's natural texture and timeless appeal make it a popular choice for modern homes. 18. Elegant upholstery. Explore sofa beds with luxurious upholstery options such as chenille or microfiber. These materials add a touch of elegance while offering durability and comfort. 19. Transformative toppers. Some modern sofa beds feature innovative toppers that enhance comfort when converted into a bed. Look for designs with high-density foam or memory foam for a restful night's sleep. 20. Art Deco flair. Embrace the glamour of the Art Deco era with sofa beds that feature geometric patterns, metallic accents, and luxurious fabrics. These designs offer a sophisticated and stylish addition to any room. We hope this roundup of 20 modern sofa bed designs inspires you to find the perfect piece for your living space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design tips and ideas. Share your favorite sofa bed designs with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.